Children, do you know which country is famous for white elephants? Thailand.
No, sir.
Thailand is the country where white elephants are found. So, this white elephant who is young, this white elephant is young and he lives with his blind and old mother in the Himalayan mountains. In the Himalayan mountains. ठीक से बढ़ाओ, किसी को नहीं बैठने आता क्लास में। तुमको बीच में कहाँ बैठने को ना, तुम आओ चलो बीच में। अगर तुम ठीक से बैठ नहीं सकते हो बीच में, चलो तो पैर ऑर्डर नहीं दो, बाकी शांत रहो, पैर नहीं हिलाओ, बीच में चलो, चलो बीच में। तुम पीछे नहीं दो, चलो बीच में चलो, उधर बीच में सेंटर में बैठो। यस, सेंटर में बैठो। वेल, so the family lives in the Himalayan mountains. But other elephants are very naughty. Other elephants are very naughty. They are not good because they steal. They steal the blind mother, the blind elephant's food. Okay, when the white elephant is away in the forest in search of, when he is out in the forest and looking for green grass, looking for green leaves, branches for his mother, other elephants come and steal away her food. So she is sometimes she remains hungry, sometimes she remains hungry. So the family decides to move to another part of the forest. Okay. The family moves to a glade. Glade. What is the meaning of glade? It is yes. What is the meaning of glade? What is the spelling? Now, open space. In the forest. Open a space in the forest. Okay. Is it clear, children? Glade, open a space in the forest. They are safe there because other elephants are not there to steal her food. उसके भोजन को चुराने के लिए दूसरे हाथी नहीं हैं. So they are very safe there in the open space, that is the glade. The blind mother elephant is very intelligent. She is very clever and very experienced. She knows that this forest is full of foresters and poachers and hunters. There are poachers and hunters in the forest. So what do they do, children? Poachers, hunters, they trap these gentle animals, meek animals. They kill them. Their body parts are sold in the international market. International markets for earning money. You know. So, children, you know, the mother elephant teaches many lessons. What does she teach? Be attentive. Class, be attentive. Yes, sit. Now sit. Sit down. She teaches, yes. Any question? Yes. Chatur and chalak same. In the negative sense it is. Right? Yeah. Sometimes it is used in the negative sense. Chatur means, here clever means the fox is clever. The jackal is clever. So listen. Why clever? Because the jackal or the fox, they plays tricks. They plays tricks. So this is why they are clever, but not in the positive sense. They are clever. So sometimes this adjective, clever is an, and it is used in the negative sense sometimes, not in the positive sense. So it is a bad word also, negative word. And she teaches her son that the greatest enemy of elephants is human. So who is the greatest enemy of elephants? Why human? Yeah, because a human being traps. He spreads net in the forest to entrap elephants and use them. So she is very cautious. She is very careful of human beings. So she is advising her son, or she is warning her son of human beings, because human being is very, very wicked. Human being is cruel. Human being is cruel. Why cruel? Because human being, yes, entraps elephants and other animals, even tigers also, leopards also, and their body parts are sold in international markets. Understand? And they earn money thereby. So one day a forester was crying in the forest. Who was crying in the forest? Why was the forester crying? For help. Yes, the forester was crying for. But children, was the forester really in any danger? No. Actually, he was a trickster. He was a trickster. And he was looking for an elephant for the king. He was looking for an elephant for the king of no. Where did the king live? जब भी आंसर दो फुल सेंटेंस में दो. The king lived in Benares. The king lived in Benares. The white elephant ran. The white elephant, no. The white elephant ran in that direction. where the forester was crying for help. Help me, help me. I am lost in the forest. I am lost in the forest. So please come and show me the way. Lead me the way to my city. So who appeared? Who ran? Who went to rescue him? Who went to protect him? None other than the white elephant. What did the white elephant do? Hey, stand up. Who is the writer of this story? Raskin one. Remove the diaries. Yes. Yes. So the forester was saved by the white elephant. The white elephant was helpful. The white elephant was gentle. He was kind. So he carried the forester, allowing him. Hey, keep quiet. Online students, keep quiet. Mute your microphone. Mute. So he carried the forester on his back to the city of Benares. But there the forester informed the king and the king's soldiers, the king's hunters. So they all ran, they all came running, and the white elephant was trapped. The white elephant was captured by the forester, by the king's soldiers, by the king's hunters. Now the white elephant thought he was really in danger. He was fool. He was a fool. He was a fool to have helped the forester. And then he remembered his mother's lessons. क्या पैर हिलाते रहते हो जी? क्या क्या पैर में तुम लोगों को? अंदर चलो, पैर अंदर करो. He realized who? The white elephant, that it was his blunder. It was a wrong mistake. That he helped whom? That he helped the forester. See, and the price he was paying, the price of his neglect, the price of his mistake and blunder he was paying. He was captured and he was imprisoned in the king's captivity, the king's stable. What is the meaning of a stable? Children, what is the meaning of a stable? Yes. What is the meaning of a stable? A stable is a house where horses and elephants are kept. Yes. A stable is a house for horses and elephant. A stable. Yeah. So, poor white elephant was imprisoned. He was captured. So here in the king's captivity, jail, king's prison, he remembers his mother. He remembers his mother. He remembers that his mother would be hungry. he remembers that his mother would be thirsty and hungry because there was nobody to take care of his mother. So he stopped eating. He also. See, the white elephant also stopped eating and drinking water. He did not eat anything for many days. This news was sent to the king. What was the news sent to the king? That your highness, your majesty, my lord, everything is not right with the white elephant. Nothing is right with the white elephant. The king asked why? The king asked them why. They replied that the white king was not eating and drinking. The white king was only weeping. The white king was only weeping in remembrance of his mother. The king came. And he knew everything about the white elephant and his mother. What was the king's decision? What decision was taken by the king? The king freed the white elephant. The king released the white elephant. He was very happy. The white elephant was very happy, and he ran, reached his mother. Both of them hugged each other. Hugging means embracing. So they embraced each other. So this is the story. Stand up. Why was the forester crying in the forest? Yes. Why was the forester crying in the forest? Online. धीरे से पूछूंगा तो तुम लोगों से, यहाँ आऊंगा तो इन लोगों से, right? Yes. So why was the forester crying, shouting for help? Children?
Forester was crying. But आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
Yes, I am clear. Okay, I am audible.
Yes, sir.
I am audible.
You say your voice is coming.
I am audible, children. I am audible. Yes. Next question. What lesson was taught by the mother elephant to her son? Yes. Yeah. The mother elephant taught her son not to help human being. in his crisis, because human being is a trickster. Human being is a trickster and human being betrays. Human being betrays. Betray का मतलब क्या होता है बच्चे? Betray. What is the spelling betray? Yeah. Betray means to deceive. धोखा देना. Treach मैंने धोखा देना. Deceive. Right? What is the spelling of deceive? Receive. IVE. RECEI. Okay. And then treachery. What is the spelling of treachery? Treachery means cheating, an act of cheating, an act of tricking, an act of betraying. Yeah, betrayal. It is betrayal. What is the meaning of captivity? What is the meaning of captivity? क्यों बुक में दिया हुआ है, नहीं बताना है. Imprisonment. The meaning of captivity is jail. कैद खाना. Yes, jail. Captivity. What is the meaning of unstable? They live.
A place where horse and elephant are kept.
Right. Yes. What is the meaning of glade?
Open space in forest.
Yeah. Right. Now, let us discuss, let us explain, let us think of writing skills, higher order. Come to children hurts. हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है ना, हॉट्स क्या होता है बच्चे? व्हाट इज हॉट्स? हॉट्स. अरे इसमें हॉट्स, ये एग्जाम में पूछता है लॉन्ग आंसर. इधर आओ, कम इधर खड़े हो. हाथ ऊपर करके खड़े हो जाओ. तो बच्चे अब आपको प्रॉब्लम हो गया. और रनिंग टाइम है बेटे. यस, या टाइम इज रनिंग आउट.